باریک میشه.
Hello everybody, welcome to ExteriorExpress channel. Here we are with another wall transformation in early morning, which is slightly cold. This is the wall we're going to clean inside and out, and another small wall over there as well, in and out, and a small pathway between them. So hope you enjoy watching this video and this beautiful transformation. Stay tuned for the next video as well. Thank you. Record the timing to see how long does it take for us to finish, and here again just showing you how we set up our equipment, how we put them down, and how sometimes we struggle to turn on the pressure washing machine early in the morning because of the weather. Here Thomas is trying to be an artist and leave some masterpieces behind again, and to be honest, he is good at it as well. So you can clearly see the difference between the clean and the dirty wall here, and the miracle of pressure washing. If you have a dirty wall or drive or patio, Christmas is around the corner and it is time to clean them up. So hope you enjoy watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel to support us and see more videos. Thank you. As you've seen, or I mentioned in most of the video, we always make sure the surrounding is clean and there is no rubbish left behind, and we take care of the like a garage door or the car, and they might be accidentally dirty, and we pressure wash them. And here is the timing, 1.5 hours for us to finish, and here is the result.